You work hard. You save money. But here's the truth. Saving alone will never make you wealthy. If you're just stashing money in a savings account, your money is silently losing value every year. And by the time you hit retirement, someone who started small but invested early could be way ahead of you. Hello everyone, welcome to Profit Compass. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you never miss a video that can change your financial future. Why saving isn't enough? Let's say you save $500 a month for 30 years. That gives you $180,000. Sounds okay, right? But here's the catch. Because of inflation, that money will be worth a lot less by then. Prices go up, but your savings just sit there. What you can buy for $1 today might cost you $5 in the future. Meanwhile, essentials like rent, groceries, and gas, they just keep going up, even if your savings don't. Now let's compare that to someone who invests the same $500 a month in something simple, like an index fund that earns 8% per year. After 30 years, that's around $745,000. That's not magic, it's compound growth. Your money earns returns, then those returns earn more returns. That's how wealth is actually built over time. And no, investing isn't gambling, it's not day trading. It's about staying in the game long enough to let your money grow. Here's a quick example. Sarah starts investing at 25, just $300 a month. Jason starts at 35 but puts in $500 a month. Guess what? Even though Jason invests more, Sarah still ends up with more at retirement. Why? Because time is the biggest multiplier. The earlier you start, the more your money grows. And this isn't just theory, we've got real examples. Let's talk about Ronald Read. He worked as a janitor and a gas station attendant, lived a modest life, nothing flashy, but he saved and invested consistently, bought shares in solid companies, and held them. When he passed away at 92, he had over $8 million in investments. No big salary, no secret trick, just patience and time. He proved you don't need a high income to build wealth. You need consistency. So, what happens if you never invest? You lose out to inflation, you miss the compounding, and you keep working harder, while others let their money work for them. Not investing is like showing up to a marathon an hour late, without shoes. The longer you wait, the harder it gets to catch up. The best time to start investing was yesterday. The second best time is today. Here's what you can do. Open a simple investment account or app. Start with what you can, even $50 a month. Focus on low-cost index funds or ETFs. Stay consistent. Let time do the rest. You don't need to be rich to invest, but you need to invest to become rich. I hope this video has shed some light on why investing is crucial once you start saving. If this video gave you clarity, share it with someone you care about. And subscribe for more real, no-hype money content that helps you build real wealth.